Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss relation between Lenz's law and Faraday's law. When we consider a Faraday's relation, that is E is equal to minus d phi by dt, where this minus sign have special significance. Consider a loop. Suppose this is a loop and let this is a area vector of this loop, and let suppose these are the magnetic lines of force or magnetic field which is passing through this loop. Then if angle between these two vectors, area vector and magnetic field, is suppose theta, then the magnetic flux passing through this loop, it should be written as, or we can write this, b bar dot a bar, or in other words we can say that b a cos of theta, or this is equal to, if theta is equal to 0, that means when this b bar and a bar are exactly parallel to each other, then we can write this is nothing but phi, which is equal to b into a. This is the magnitude of magnetic flux which is passing through this. Then we know that if by using this we can write Faraday's law is equal to minus d by dt of what, phi, suppose b bar dot a bar, or we can write this minus d by dt of mod of b into mod of a, which is equal to, if area of this loop is fixed or it is constant, take outside, this is equal to minus d by dt of mod of a taken outside, and mod of b is here. That means minus mod of a d by dt of mod of b, or this is equal to negative quantity. As we know that when this right hand side is equal to negative quantity, because mod of a, which is equal to positive, and dB by dt or mod of b is positive, as flux phi goes on increasing. Flux phi goes on increasing. So we can say that the sense of this EMF or current inside a loop is nothing but in a clockwise direction. That means induced current due to this change in magnetic flux, which goes on increasing, is in clockwise direction, which is given by right hand screw rule. Then we know that if the sense of rotation is in the direction of induced current, then according to this rule, the area vector which is pointing inward to this plane, if this induced current, it is in opposite direction. That means we can say that in counterclockwise. Then this current is negative, or in other words we can say that the induced EMF is also in same direction and it is also negative. So let this equation is 1 and suppose this equation is 2, then we know that this equation second, the right hand side is negative quantity, but to balance this, the EMF induced it at the left hand side, which is also negative. So to balance the right hand side, negative sign in the equation is equal to minus d phi by dt, which shows that the Lenz law is incorporates in Faraday's law. This should be the relation between Lenz law and Faraday's law.